Imagine a world where your phone charges in seconds, and your entire home runs off clean. Limitless energy, no more waiting, no more worrying about running out of juice. Science fiction. It's the future of energy storage, and it's happening right now. Sure, traditional batteries are cool, but what if I told you we're on the brink of something way bigger? Let's talk about supercapacitors. These little powerhouses can recharge almost instantly and last for millions of cycles. Then there's flow batteries, giant tanks filled with liquid energy, perfect for powering entire neighborhoods with renewable sources. But the real game changers? Technologies like hydrogen storage, where we split water into hydrogen and oxygen. Use that hydrogen as ultra-clean fuel. Or gravity batteries, which literally lift massive weights with excess energy and drop them to release power when we need it. Kind of like a high-tech yo-yo for electricity. Scientists are even experimenting with sand and molten salt, storing solar energy as heat that can be tapped long after the sun goes down. All these breakthroughs mean one thing: a cleaner, more reliable future is within reach. So, next time you flip a switch or charge your laptop, think about the incredible innovations quietly reshaping our world. The real power isn't just in what we use today, but in the amazing possibilities that lie ahead. The future of energy storage is more exciting and a whole lot closer than you might think.
Unlocking the future. What powers us after batteries? What happens when the world needs more energy storage than batteries alone can handle? I've been thinking about this a lot, especially as renewables take over more of the grid. The answer isn't just bigger and better batteries, it's a whole new wave of technology. Let's start with hydrogen. This isn't just fuel for rockets, it's a way to store massive amounts of energy. Picture solar panels making electricity, splitting water into hydrogen and then saving that energy for a rainy day. Then there are flow batteries. Imagine 2 tanks of liquid, pump them through a special membrane. Scale is as simple as bigger tanks, not more cells. This could change how we store energy for entire cities. And have you heard of supercapacitors? They're like batteries, but charge and discharge in seconds. Think rapid bursts of power, balancing the grid, super fast charging. Solid-state batteries are another breakthrough. They ditch the liquid inside for a solid, making them safer, and possibly super long-lasting. We might see these in electric cars' home storage soon, but storage isn't always about chemistry. Some solutions are delightfully old school, like gravity batteries. Imagine cranes lifting massive blocks when there's extra energy, then lowering them to generate power when we need it. Or thermal storage, where excess electricity heats up materials later, that heat is turned back into power. These aren't just science experiments, they're shaping cleaner, more resilient grids, unlocking affordable renewables for everyone. So what does the future of energy storage look like? It's bigger, smarter, and way more creative than just batteries. If this sparks your imagination, hit like and share. Let's fuel the energy revolution together. Thanks for watching.